You might have seen this offer on the email, but here it is again. For the next few days, get access to a 15-hour self-paced OET course that guarantees your results. And if you fail, get all your money back, no questions asked. Now, this course not only comes with materials on all the 4 modules, it comes with strategies, tips and tricks on how to quickly answer questions, effectively gain marks, examiner marking criteria, sample feedback from teacher and students, and all the do's and don'ts, as well as resources you need to ace this exam. The price of this course is usually $79, now highly discounted to just $49. This course is self-paced, which means you don't need to sit down and schedule any live sessions. You can do it at your own pace whenever you're free based on your own schedule. Once again, we offer a 100% money-back guarantee within 30 days of your purchase. If you don't see any improvement, just email us. We'll refund your money, no questions asked. Now, before you click on this ad, make sure when you use this course, you follow all the strategies, everything that is given to you, every suggestion that I give you here in this course. Make sure you learn that, understand that, and follow that for your exam. The only students who don't make it in their exam are the ones who miss out a few hours or don't complete the whole practice tests. The methods that are given here are proven. They have worked for every student, and you will see just after the first video why that happens. Make sure to please listen to my instructions. I have helped more than 1,000 students pass their OET exam. If you follow the simple steps 1 to 3, go from video 1 to video 2 to video 3, go from worksheet 1 to worksheet 2, just follow all the steps. There's no reason you shouldn't pass your exam. Get to your dreams of your immigration, of your education, whatever you need. But remember, this offer is limited time. The discount is for a limited time. Avail it now. Click on the screenshot, click on this ad, and you'll be directed to the page where you will see reviews, the course details, and everything you need, as well as sample lessons. And please don't waste 3 months on failures, constant repetitions, and tons of money in rebooking fees. Click here and avail this bonus offer.